go. Okay, so
Yes, I want to explain something about myself. I'm Pastor Arsene Lubend. I'm a minister of the several people, over 500, something like that. It can be more, but we enregistered 500 for now. We can't count the kids because this is people. I can show the group of the people, and they work together with me. And this is school kids they are. And I will show you something else. I just let you know to find out as Haiti look like. That I want to know. It's a starving country, but I don't want to say that just to impress you. But I want to let you know it's a nice people, friendly people, generous people. But you see starving people, they just beg, they ask, but they not, they not try to fight. They were very friendly. And then it's a pleasure for me to meet Frank and his wife. They're so nice. They work in the street. Sometimes they go by themselves because nobody don't bother them, and that's why sometimes they like to just walk by themselves. That impressed me to talk to Frank because he's a friendly. I love him. I could tell you that because the way I see our spirit communicate together. His wife, same thing. Always laugh. Sometimes she cry when she the poverty, the street people, and she feel to help the people, but she don't know how he can start to help the people. I just challenge to let her know she can do something. The first thing she can do, they love people and get them in their heart, and God give the possibility when she come back and she can talk to the people, and the people can answer. I wish people she going to talk with, I want them impressed to come in Haiti to visit this country. And you can see me too, because sometimes I tease the people, I joke with the people, and they told me, they just let me know I'm inside like a pastor. They said that to me. I feel glad, I feel happy. And then I don't know what I said again about this country, but you have to come to see. You can visit school, you can visit church, but the community and the way I live is a church there. People come in the morning, go back in the night and Sunday. But during the weekend, we have a fasting prayer because they need to pray. Some people ask, why they pray so much? Because they don't know nowhere to go. They have to stay with God. That's why they pray. They beg God. I don't say they beg, but they beg God. And God, when they beg God, God can send the people to help them. I wish if you come here, you will see more than I said. And because I have the paper, like I was the president of this group, and they chose me to be president if the group called and sheep and lambs. That means we love the lambs, the sheep. And that's why I give it the name. It's American people and plant this organization in Haiti. That can mean help yourself. But to help yourself, you have to have somebody behind you to just hold your hands. That's why you can help yourself. And I'm so happy to let you know, to challenge you, to say, I don't see you yet, I don't know you yet, but by my spirit, just like I see you before. That I can say. And then maybe you can have some question to ask after you make brother friend, because he has a picture, you can talk to him because he'll be my friend for a few days. We can really see on to step together. That's what I want. That's I feel like, you know. And then I'm very, very, very happy and satisfied with the visit Frank here and his wife. We saw you just act together. You just act together because we have a same spirit.